welcome back to the channel. My name is Caitlin if you are new here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a bullet journal spread in 10 minutes. Specifically, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a weekly spread in 10 minutes. This is so important for me personally when I'm in a rush and I'm busy and I have life going on. It just happens to the best of us. And what often happens to me is I just lose track of using my bullet journal if I don't have some set quick and easy bullet journal spreads to use. So that is what I'm going to be showing you today. If you are interested, just keep on watching and make sure to stay tuned to the very end where I'm going to be going over all of the rules of how to get entered into this giveaway. So like I mentioned in the beginning, I love having quick and easy weekly spreads to use in my bullet journal. And as of late, I've been doing a lot of watercolor. If you haven't seen my October plan with me, I did a Winnie the Pooh watercolor theme, which I absolutely loved, but watercolor takes a little bit more than 10 minutes. So I'm getting back to the basics here and really focusing on if I'm in a rush, what can I do to do a weekly spread in under 10 minutes. And all of these spreads that I'm showing you here today are all quick and easy for beginners. So if you have even minimal supplies while bullet journaling, you're going to be able to do this. I ended up testing out my tropical set from the Tombow brush pens, and I love how these sets come in color coordinated colors. So I ended up pulling out 3 of them here just to use as the accent colors. Everything that I do use will be linked in the description box down below, so if you're interested in any of the supplies, make sure to check those out. But I've decided to focus on habits and top tasks. Now these are things that I love to keep track of, especially if I'm going through a really busy week and I only want to get a couple things done every single day that are really important. And then on Wednesday here, this big block on the bottom, I just have a midweek check-in because I think it's really important to focus on, okay, what have I been doing and what's been working and what hasn't. And then in my Thursday box on the right side of the page here, I just have a steps for success. And that's gonna help me focus on, okay, what did I not do and what can I improve on going forward in the week? And these spreads are really easy if you just wanna focus on a couple things, but you can also use this exact same layout and just switch things around a little bit. So you can switch up the titles. You might not want to have your habits or favorite memory tracked, and that can be left for more blank spots to write in what you want to get done for your week. I also would recommend, if you are doing any type of quick and easy weekly spread, keep it simple. So do the things that you love doing the most and that come easy for you. So for me, one thing I really love doing is this cursive lettering style, and I can get it out pretty quick. So that is why I chose that lettering style. But if cursive is not your thing, don't use cursive, try something else. Just easy, quick spreads for your weekly. Now, moving on to number 2. This is if you want just a little bit more space between what you're tracking for your weeks, the events that are coming up, and all of the other stuff that I put on the other page, like your habits, your favorite memories, maybe your top tasks or goal for the week. So on this left side of the page, I just ended up having a calendar kind of block layout for the 7 days, Monday to Sunday. Then on the right side of the page, I completely dedicated it for my habits. And I like to track things that I want to improve upon or things that I'm so close to doing every single day, just so I can understand where the trend is coming from. So I put things down like I want to wake up early, I want to drink water, get some steps in, maybe have breakfast. That's something that I'm really trying to work on right now, is having breakfast in the morning. I don't know, I can't really eat anything too much, otherwise I feel a little sick. I don't know if that's just a me thing with breakfast, but anyways, little ramble done. Then I have things like top tasks and things that I am grateful for throughout the week. I love tracking my meals as of late, especially now that I'm doing my own grocery shopping and making all of my meals now. So I like to track exactly what I have for lunch and dinner, because then I can come up with ideas really quick and easy in the future if I'm stuck in a bind and just want to have something that I haven't had in like the last week. So that is why I would put a section like this in. But all of these colors that I ended up using here are just from the Crayola set. Would totally recommend getting a Crayola like 50 or 100 pack because there's so many colors for a really great price. Now, number 3 out of all of these 10-minute quick and easy bullet journal trackers is one that was the quickest to set up, and I
think it was my favorite one as well, just because of how simple it looked. So I zhuzhed it up a little bit with the numbered style that I chose. Instead of just doing something traditional, I went up and I looked online a fancy number style. So that is something that definitely added time to mine because I didn't take my tip and went with something that I'm comfortable with. I wanted to try something a little bit new, but I think it really helped this spread stand out. To make it simple and quick and easy, I just ended up highlighting a little section to put my title for Monday to Sunday through, and then little dots to write out all of my points. Then to ground the piece just a little bit more, I put a border around it with a little bit of hatching, and that's something that I did when I was doing my scrapbook theme for November, and I really liked how it just kind of grounded the piece in those spreads, so I thought I might as well add it into here and see how it looks. But those small little details of having the fancy numbers really adds to the spread, but you can always do something really simple as well if you are looking for a quick and easy 10-minute or less bullet journal spread. Okay, so number 4, this one I really love as well because it is a faux Dutch door. Now, I first saw this by the Plant-Based Bride and I really loved the concept behind it, so I had a folding Dutch door. On the side here, I just put things for events that I would be able to reference throughout the week no matter where I am within my faux Dutch door. Then on the bottom, I just put in a little self-care thing. What am I doing for my mental health and what am I doing for my physical health throughout the week? And I left just space for 3 dots each, hoping that I could at least do one every single day. On the top, I am numbering out Monday through Wednesday. Now this is where it's a little bit different. Usually people will have a traditional task list underneath their Monday to like Sunday titles. However, I thought I would want to maybe break up my day into the hour. So I'm doing some block scheduling. And then this is going to help me really focus my time in on, okay, between the hours of 7 and 9, I am doing X. But I know that like I want to get more things done. So I have to really be then realistic with the time that I'm spending on everything. And then also make sure that I am not overbooking myself, which tends to happen a lot when I am creating just a never-ending list of the things that I want to get done in a day. So this really helps me focus, and it is a super quick and easy weekly spread. This is just how it works. So you fold it and then you can reference your page no matter where you are. I really like the idea of this and breaking everything down into the hour, especially when I want to get a lot of stuff done. Now, just flipping on over to the last 10-minute bullet journal weekly spread, I am going to keep this one really, really simple. So maybe this one is the most easy bullet journal spread. I don't know. I just put a little title in up at the top here and done some hatching lettering for my November title. You can really do anything you want up at the top here, a title, a little doodle, whatever brings you joy in your bullet journal. And then I've done little sections here. So I pulled out Crayola markers that are relatively within the orangey yellow tones, and I've blocked out little spaces for my Monday task list, my meals, and then my goals for that day. So when I'm planning out my day, I'd like to have a top goal or top task that I want to get done. That way I know if I only get one thing done, I got the most important thing done that day. Again, I love tracking my meals for what I've mentioned already, but then I also have this space quick and easy, and having different colors for the title of like Monday to Sunday, my goals, and my meals adds a little something something to the page just to make it a little bit more. But that is really it for all of these spreads. I really love creating quick and easy bullet journal weekly spreads, especially if you are a beginner to bullet journaling. Don't get overwhelmed with everything that is so complex. Stick to the basics at the beginning. That's what I definitely did, and it made me fall in love with bullet journaling all the more.
Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, make sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below. It really does help support my channel to grow. Now, onto the fun stuff, the subscriber giveaway. I'm so excited for this. I've come up with a bullet journal beginner starter kit. It includes a dingbats, a bullet journal, and it has like a little coral bit on the front. I absolutely love this notebook. I did a review on it in a video. I'll link it up above for you if you're interested in checking that out. But it is a company that has a really strong stance on being eco-friendly. I really love the platform that they stand on, and I was wanting to include a couple of things from them in here. Then I also have just some washi tape, which matches like the neutral blue brown colored earth tones that go along with this journal, and I've used this before in a lot of my videos and love it. And then of course it wouldn't be a bullet journal giveaway of mine without some Micron pens. I absolutely love these pens. I use them all the time in my bullet journal, and I have a range of different nib sizes, so you can do quite a lot with these pens. Now, how to enter the giveaway. So this is a subscriber giveaway, so you must be subscribed to the channel. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. As well, down below in the comments, this is how you are going to be entered into a ballot. So it's going to be based on the comment that you put in. So make sure that you include your Instagram handle, because that's how I'm going to be contacting you via Instagram, just to make sure it's a little bit more secure and safe. The length of the giveaway is going to be from today, so now's video on the November 7th, 2021, all the way until the 13th of November, because I'm going to be pulling a winner and including it in the video next Sunday. So on the 14th, it's going to be announced who won, so everybody is really clear on this is who won. And then if you didn't, I will have more giveaways in the future, the more milestones that we hit together, and hopefully you can enter that one as well. Oh, I don't know if I've said this, but you have to be 18 years or older, there we go. If not, you have to have your parents' permission as well, just to enter. And then this is also international giveaway, so you can be anywhere in the world. I really want to just give back to all the subscribers, because you have been so lovely in supporting this channel, and I really appreciate you tuning in every week and watching the video that I put out. If you have any other questions, check out the description. I'll have all of the rules and like what's required linked down there, and leave me a comment on what you enjoyed in the video. I'll see you next time. Bye!